I'll speak more about the dry cough. Yeah. Remember, just like the previous discussant told us, in dry cough, there is no production of mucus, all sputum. So the drugs we use in cough are, we have cough suppressants, we have cough expectorants, we have mucolytics, we have decongestants, and then antihistamines. Yeah, for cough expectorants and mucolytics, we generally use them in wet cough. Wet cough, whereby we have the production of mucus or sputum. And then we realize that we are using an expectorant, just like you hear expectorant, something like expel. Then mucolytic, it's just mucolytics. We use those mucolytics because mucus is just held inside there. So mucolytics shall help us break the disulfide bonds that are holding that mucus. Then when you give an expectorant together with a mucolytic, the cough will go away in just a few days. Because remember, this one is breaking out it's breaking out the disulfide bonds that are holding the mucus. Then the expectorant is coming in to expel it out. Then you have the decongestants. In decongestants, the examples of decongestants we shall see pseudoephedrine, and then phenylephrine. We shall have antihistamines, for example, chlorpheniramine. Then cough suppressants. Let's talk about the cough suppressants. The cough suppressants are used to stop dry cough, and they can either act locally or centrally within the brain. They act within the brain to stop the cough reflexes. And then the examples of the cough expectorant, we have codeine, we have polycodine, and then the dextromethorphan, yeah. But then, just like we all know, codeine is not. We are not supposed to give codeine to pregnant mothers and then children. Just like we all know that codeine closes the placenta, and it affects the fetal development and can even cause the withdrawal symptoms in the newborns. Then for dextromethorphan, it's relatively safe in pregnancy, but then don't exceed the recommended dosage. Yes, there's something I'd like to share with you here. Like, I'm going to share my screen here just to show you some of the share the screen. The cough syrups we have here is just the ones for dry cough.
So nggak bisa sama ini. Oi.
Yeah, I think you can all view my screen. What makes the treatment of dry cough differ from the one of wet cough? Just like I've told you previously, that in wet cough, we are using an expectorant, a mucolytic, decongestant, and then an antihistamine. But in dry cough, it should be an antitussive. But those some cough syrups contain both mucolytics and then antitussives, just like you're going to see here. So the first one, you have coscopine. I think you can all view my screen. Coscopine contains noscapine, which is an antitussive. Just like I told you, it's it acts centrally, like it acts within the brain. Yeah, you get it acts within the brain to stop the cough reflexes. We have chlorpheniramine, which is an antihistamine. You have ammonium chloride, which is a cough expectorant. Sodium citrate, which is a mucolytic. That means coscopin can either be given in dry cough or wet cough. It's safe. Then we have Pyritex with codeine. It contains you get. Okay, the only thing the thing that I want to come up with is to show you that most of the cough syrups we have here, they either contain they contain both mucolytics and then antitussives. But your main emphasis should always be on your patient's symptoms. As the patient presents with the dry cough symptoms, you know what to give. You should give a syrup that contains antitussives. Antitussives, yeah. And one thing I realized, another thing is most of the syrups contains chlorpheniramine, so there is no need of maybe giving out when someone has cough and maybe cough and whatever and flu. There's no need of giving maybe Piriton again, because these syrups contain most of the antihistamines, and one of them, and the commonest, is still chlorpheniramine. We have Benylin with Benylin dry. We have the Liz dry. We have Contaspid. We have Ascoril D. It can also be given in dry and wet. We have Cofgo. We have Frugon. We have Mucolin, Cinare, Linctus, Zedex, Pyritex, Febrex. Yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, that's all I had to say. Thank you so much.